Hello friends, my name is Liti and welcome to my channel Raj Ocean of Knowledge, Knowledge for Everyone. So today we'll be continuing with our next topic in our math series, which is functions. So today I again want to request that please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the like button down there as well as the bell icon so you never miss any update of this channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. That inverse function and inverse function, you're just reversing the function, then you're finding the inverse of the function. How? By rewriting the function, replacing f of x with y and then interchanging x and y, okay, the positions of them, then rearrange the equation to make y the subject. Simple? Very good. F of x is equal to x plus 2. Evaluate f of x, alright? So f of minus 1x. Just a minute, a little bit mistake. F of minus 1x. So the question would be f of minus 1x. Like f to the power minus 1x. Right? So f of x is equal to x plus 2. So you will write f of x is equal to x plus 2. Alright, as normal. Then, where this was there, write the whole thing, just copy paste it there first and then try to solve it. Then you have to replace that f of x with that y, right? So you replace that then you get y is equal to x plus 2 and then you interchange the locations of that x and y. So here in place of y you have x and in place of x you have y. Alright, so x is equal to y plus 2. Now solve for y. So y is equal to x minus 2. Okay, when you solve for y you get, solve for y means making y the subject of the equation. So this is your inverse of that equation. Now we reversed that equation. Now how we'll make it a function? Just simple. You'll just write replacing that y is f of x. That means that when you have interchanged the location, you're reversing that f. Okay, the f of x. That means it will be f to the power minus 1x. Okay, just write the answer you get here. Y is equal to whatever, x plus 2. Alright, so f to the power minus 1 of x is equal to x plus 2. That'll be your final answer. So just don't get confused in anything. It's very simple calculation if you see, and I think you should not have any problem. If you didn't understand anything, okay, you see the video again and again so that you just get the concept clear. Alright, or either you can ask questions down there in the comment box below. I'll answer them as quickly as I can. Alright, so I hope you must have understood this. Just thanks for watching. Thanks. And please comment, share and subscribe the channel. Hit the like button down there and the bell icon so you never miss any update on this channel. We want your support, guys. Please support us so that we can make more and more videos for you all and help you as far as we can. Okay, so just this request I made to please do so. So at the last, take care, stay tuned, and goodbye.